Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tech Pro, and today in this video I have a little short video for you guys, basically showing you how you can make any program run better on your system. So in this case, my example is just Minecraft, but really any program will work. Basically you just want to push Control Shift and Escape, and it's basically it's going to look just like this right here. So first thing that you want to see is you're like how much CPU you're using. Now in this case I'm using 100% of my CPU, or about 100%. That's because I'm actually screen recording, and that's going to be an issue potentially. But say you're not screen recording and you have a program that's running slowly, this video will actually show you how to fix that. So you want to click on processes right there, and you want to right click on the program that you see is not running well. Okay, so then once you right click on it, as you'll see there, you're going to click on the go to details button right there. Okay, and then what that will do is bring you to a nice list of different things that are running, and the program that you selected earlier is already selected. You want to find the set priority thing right there and click real time. Now if it doesn't let you do real time, then just do high, click set priority, and that's it. Now your program should run a lot faster. That's actually about it for this video. Sorry, I'll have a longer video tomorrow, but that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.